In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on your TCL Roku TV. So let's get started. This is the main menu of your TCL TV. If you do not see it, press the home button on your TV and you'll be brought here. On the left side, this is where we need to go. Use your remote control up and down arrows. Go down until you select Streaming Store. Once you're over here, press OK. And now we have access to many different apps. If you go down, you'll be able to search for a specific app. If we go on the right side and select apps, you'll be able to select them, but they will be divided through different categories, which could be easier for you. Let's say I want something about travel, press OK. And now you'll be presented all the travel apps. To go back, just use the back button on your remote control. Back again. And this way you can browse every apps, and there is also some games if you prefer doing this. I didn't find any really that interesting, to be honest, but they are there. They're mostly free and you can select them the way I just showed you. When you want to download an app, let me just get any of these. When you want to download an app, let me go over here. Let's say I want this one, Paramount. I'll press OK. And now you're going to have Add App. You absolutely need to have a Roku TV account and to be logged in to be able to download apps. Most people are already, but I just need to specify it in case you didn't sign in. So I'll press OK on Add App. And then I'll press I agree. It will take a few seconds, sometimes even a minute, depending on your internet connection. And now it will say Paramount Plus has been added to your home. Press OK. And now let's go to the home screen. I'll press the home button here. If we go over here, this is where all the apps are gonna be. And if I go down, the new app will be at the end. To move it, let's say you want to put it first because you're going to use it a lot, press this little star button on the remote control, like that. And now we can select Move App. You can also select Move to the top if it's what you want, so you're going to save some time. But if you select Move App, press OK, you'll be able to place the app where you want. And press OK once you're done, and it will stay there. If we press this button again, the same one, the little star, you'll also be able to delete the app from your TV if you don't want it anymore. Simply press OK, select Remove, OK, wait, and it will be gone. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.